X is the average of m and 9, so m plus 9 over 2. Y is the average of 2m and 15. Z is the average of 3m and 18. So I want to add all these together and divide by 3. Because they have the same denominator, when I add them together I can add straight across the top. And at this point, 6m divided by 2 is 3m, and 42 divided by 2 is 21. Now because I'm averaging these 3, I've added them all together, now I'm going to divide by 3, which means 3m divided by 3 is just m, and 21 divided by 3 is 7. So m plus 7, or B, is my answer. We're looking to find the average age of when these presidents entered office. So you add all these together and divide by 12. When you take 703 divided by 12, you get 58.583 repeating. They say round your answer to the nearest tenth. So 58.583 repeating. 8 is bigger than 5, so we go up, and this is 58.6. We can write this out as the sum of all these numbers, including x, divided by 5 is equal to 1600, because that's how we find an average. Then we multiply both sides by 5. We can combine all these terms and subtract that from 8,000, and we get 2,500. So the mean distance for Bella's attempts is going to be bigger than Aditi's attempts. So the bottom one is going to be plus 0.3, the average. So first I'll add these 5 together and divide by 5. I get 3.9, which means my average is going to have to be 4.2. So I can set it up as the sum of all these, including x, divided by 5 is equal to 4.2. Then I multiply by 5, I add all these together and subtract that from 21, and the answer is 4.5. So in the first 10 ratings, the store got an average rating of 75. So 75 times 10 is 750. And then we want to know what is our 11th rating, what's the least value you can have if we still have an average of at least 85 for the first 20 ratings. So this was 10. I'm going to split it into 10, 9, and 1. Let's say we had a perfect rating, 100, for all 9 of these. We already knew that we had the average of 75 here. What's the lowest amount here I could get to still have the total equal 85 times 20, or 1700? So if I take 1700 minus 900 minus 750, I get 50, which is my answer. We have 3 tickets in row 1, 2 tickets in row 3, 2 tickets in row 4, still this price, and 3 tickets in row 12. So we add it up like this, and our total is 200, and we divide this by how many, which is 10, and they're going to be $20 each. Andrew and Maria each collected 6 rocks. The mean of the masses of the rocks Maria collected is 0.1 greater than Andrew. So take Andrew and add 0.1, and you get Maria. So first we'll add all these up and divide by 6, and that gives us 2.8. So Maria's average is going to be 2.9. So all of these added together divided by 6. So I'll start by doing 2.9 times 6, and now I have this equation. If I add all these known values, I get 14.8. So if I subtract that, I get 2.6. So we get 1 point for each right answer. So this is 2 times 5, plus 3 times 4, plus 4 times 3, plus 6 times 2, plus 2 times 1, plus 3 times 0. Or whatever that sum is, we're going to divide by 20. And that gives us 2.4.